Hi everyone, so today we have the 4-in-1 super fast car charger. Has 4-in-1 adapters for your car, perfect for iPads, iPhones, Android, any device you have. Has a USB outlet with super fast charge. Fits right into any cigarette adapter in any vehicle. Very stylish, very nice looking, and it lights up blue at night. You can turn it any direction and swivel. 360-degree swivel. Great. The charger is designed for iPhone, iPad, or any other electronic devices you're trying to charge in your car when you're out driving. You can plug extra devices in. You can charge laptops, iPhones. It's really great for passengers who are looking for external outlets for all their devices on especially a long trip. Overall, it's a great charging cord for your mobile phone, tablet, laptops, headphones. It's fast charge, and I love it.